Hi, I'm Joe Hurwich, and this is my 1954 Alfa Romeo C Super Sprint. It's the first Alfa made on a production line, the first Alfa made with left-hand drive, and the first Alfa without a separate chassis. There were 949 examples of these made by various body and coach builders. Mine is by Touring. This Alfa is powered by a 1974 cc inline four-cylinder motor. It has its original motor and transmission, including the very unusual 5-speed column shifter. This Alfa was completely restored in Germany in 2012, back to its original colors of the dark blue and the blue interior. As I said, the car was in Germany most of its life, has had only 5 owners since new. Let's take a look at the interior now. Interesting as these window winders, the great beehives at the end, and the big steering wheel, all of the gauges in place, and that great 5-speed column shifter, one of very few ever made. Going farther over to the center, you see that it has an ashtray and a cigarette lighter. It's Italian, what do you expect? And its original Blaupunkt radio. Going to the back area, you see it's got these interesting aluminum spears along the bottom and the back, presumably for luggage so you wouldn't damage the interior. I love the lines and the styling, and I buy cars with my eyes, and this was love at first sight. Still one of my favorites. Thank you very much. I'm Joe Hurwich, and this is my 1954 Alfa 1900.